Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix BenQ monitor no signal detected, cable input mode and GPU output fix. Fix 1 is check the video cable, turn off the monitor and computer, then disconnect and reconnect the HDMI DisplayPort, DVI or VGA cable. Then make sure both ends are firmly connected. If possible, try a different cable to rule out a faulty one. Second fix is select the correct input source. Press the menu or input button on your BenQ monitor, then open the input source menu, then select the port you are using. Then wait a few seconds to see if the display appear. Third fix is restart the computer. Turn off the computer completely, then unplug the monitor power cable for 30 seconds. Plug the monitor back in, then turn on the monitor first, then start the computer. Fourth fix is check GPU or graphic card connection. If you have a desktop PC, then make sure the monitor cable is connected to the graphic card output. Avoid connecting the monitor to the motherboard video port if a dedicated GPU is installed. Reset the graphic card if it appears loose. Reset the PC and check the display. Thanks for watching.